Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the alarm icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours, minutes, and then PM and AM. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. It will bring you to the edit menu. Here we can enable or disable the alarm clock. We can readjust the time if you want to by tapping on time. Then you can tap on repeat option, and here you can select how often the alarm should repeat, and we have only once. If this option is selected, it will go off only once and it won't repeat anymore. But you can also select every day. If you select every day, it will go off every day. And if you select custom, you can select specific days on which the alarm should repeat. For example, we can select every Monday and every Friday, but I'm gonna uncheck all of the other days. Then you can swipe right to go back. As you can see, we have the custom and it says Monday and Friday. Okay, and below the repeat option, we have smart alarm option, and you can enable it by tapping on the switch. You can also disable it by tapping on the switch. And once you're done customizing the alarm, tap on the done button, and it will appear right here in the alarm menu, and you can turn it on or off. You can tap on it to edit it. You can also add another alarm if you want. You can have multiple alarms like that, and you can also remove the alarms. So you can tap on one, scroll down, tap on delete, and tap on this one also, tap on delete. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.